What's up YouTube? Jeff back again from dopetechdaily.com, and today I'm bringing you guys another tips video for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. So if you've watched my first 10 things video and you've already customized your phone using my top tips to customize, you might be interested in going a little further, some more advanced features that are going to be useful. So today I want to talk about 5 hidden features that actually matter on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. The first one's a very simple feature. It's actually the home screen settings. So if you long press on the home screen, at the bottom, you'll notice home screen settings right there. There's a couple of very important things in here that you'll probably want to take a look at. The first one is this option to add apps to the home screen. Now, this option is actually enabled by default on many of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus models. So you'll notice whenever you install a new app from the Play Store, it automatically adds an app to one of your home screens, and a lot of people don't like that. You can switch that off right there and you'll be good to go. The next one right below it is the quick open notification panel. This right here basically allows you to swipe anywhere on the home screen to pull down the notification panel. This is something I would recommend enabling. You can see right now if I swipe right there, then my notification panel drops right down. It's a nice little feature to have so you don't have to go all the way to the top, especially since this is a bit of a tall phone. So those home screen settings, while the home screen settings itself aren't really hidden, if you long press you'll see them, a lot of people don't realize that the add apps to home screen and the quick open notification panel settings are right inside there. Okay, the next one is the Android system notifications. So a lot of people have hit me up on Twitter and also over at Gadget Hacks. I wrote an article about this, which I'll link below, about the Android system notification, which you guys can see right there. The Android system notification basically tells you if you have battery life being consumed by an app or if you have an app that's displaying over others. If you hit the little arrow, it'll expand. It tells me Navbar apps is displaying over other things. Now I know that. Navbar apps is the app I use to get a black navbar. I talked about it in a previous video. So maybe I want to dismiss this notification. You can actually do that. You just swipe to the right. Then you can hit the notification settings cog right there. Then you'll get the settings menu for Android system. And you'll see right there, the Navbar apps is displaying over their apps notification. I can actually turn that off, and then when I swipe down, it'll be gone. You can do the same thing for the battery alerts. If you go down, you'll see apps consuming battery. You can also switch that off, and you won't ever get any notices from Android system about apps consuming battery. Now, there are some notifications from Android system like SIM card, network alerts that you can't actually turn off, but you can go and turn down the priority so you don't get any interruptions for those particular notifications. The next thing is transition animation. So for seasoned Android veterans, this will be an obvious one, but if you're not an Android veteran, if you're a newcomer, this will be very useful. If you want to speed up the animations on your phone so that you zip in and out of apps a little faster, you can go to About Phone, go to Software Information, tap on the build number repeatedly until you enable developer mode. You can see I already have that on. Head back to the settings once you've enabled developer mode. At the very bottom you'll see developer options, which I have right there. Tap on that and you can scroll down until you see these various transition scale options, transition animation scale, animator duration scale, and also the window animation scale. If you tap on that, you can scroll these down to 0.5x if you want to, just by tapping on the option. If you do that for each of them, it's going to make it a little bit zippier getting in and out of your apps. You guys will notice for the rest of the video because I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to 0.5x. Personally, I find it a bit jarring and I actually like the regular animations, but this is definitely something you can do to get in and out of apps faster, by which I mean you'll notice the animation when I go to the home screen now is a bit faster than it was before. The animation in and out of apps will also be a bit faster. So if that's something that you want, if you feel like your phone's a little too slow in and out of apps, you can do that. The next thing is to clear up the app cache if you have an app that's misbehaving. So the most common thing that I see a lot of people saying YouTube is misbehaving, maybe the videos are buffering but they have a good connection on their internet. You can go in and clear the app cache, and the way you do that is by going back into settings again, and then once you go into settings, you're going to go into apps. You have your list of apps. You scroll down and find the app that's misbehaving. For instance, if it's YouTube, it's going to be at the bottom here. Tap on storage, and then you'll have the option to clear data or clear cache. Now you can try clearing both, but if you clear data, it's going to clear anything that you have saved from that app. So normally I just like to hit the clear cache button. The cache button will basically clear anything That's being remembered in the app each time that you open it, that loads to sort of get ready to make it faster. And if there's any problems with your app, sometimes that can clear up those issues and help it load properly and go back to its regular operation. So that's always something to try first if you have a misbehaving app, and it's actually really easy to do that. The final thing are the Bluetooth codecs. So the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus support a number of Bluetooth codec profiles, which allow you to get high quality audio over Bluetooth headphones or speakers. And this is something good if you have a really good pair of Bluetooth headphones and you know it supports a high quality codec, for instance, like the Sony codec. The way to enable this is, again, settings. You're going to find this in developer options, once again, which we enabled earlier. If you scroll down, and again, it's going to take you a little while to scroll through this, you'll see Bluetooth audio codecs right here. It supports a whole bunch of them, including aptX and LDAC, which is the proprietary Sony codec, which is a really high quality one, Samsung HD, and quite a few others. I wrote about these codecs and what they do in particular. If you know your headphones have these, then you definitely want to switch to the codec. For instance, my Sony Bluetooth headphones have the LDAC codec, so I want to turn that on. So I'll drop the link below if you guys want to find out more about what these do in particular. But basically, if you know that you need them, here's the way to actually enable them on the Galaxy S9 Plus. All right, guys, so that's my 5 hidden features that really matter. These should matter for a lot of you, make your user experience in and out of the Galaxy S9 every day a little bit more useful. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon so I can make future videos like this. You guys can find me at dopetechdaily.com, Google+, Instagram, and Twitter at the links in the description. Also find me writing at gadgethacks.com where I write about Android. I appreciate you guys checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.